Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Chinese Food. I'm Jack. Today we will learn how to make kumquat lemon tea. I think it's the best drink for summer in China. Let's start. Firstly, we should make tea water. Put 10 gram tea leaves into the teapots. Add 500 ml hot water to make tea. The temperature of hot water should be between 80 and 90 degrees Celsius. Then cover the lid to soak it for 5 minutes. You can choose your favorite drink for this drink, like black tea, green tea. After 5 minutes, we should pour the tea water into the strainer to strain it. Add 100 gram ice cubes into the tea water and stir them until melted. Then use 2 pots to pour the tea 6 times. It can help us to clean the astringent taste from the tea. Then save them for later. Next, we should prepare kumquat and lemon for this tea. Slice 2 lemons. Then cut 10 kumquats in half. When we cut the kumquats, we should cut the head of kumquat and cut it in half. Then save them for later. Next, we should put 3 slices of lemon, 2 kumquats into the shaker. Then use the small hammer to hammer those ingredients. It can increase the juice yield of the ingredients. After that, add 250 ml tea water, 50 ml corn syrup, enough ice cucumbers to fill the shaker. Then shake hard until even. Then put some slices of lemon, kumquats into the cup. Finally, pour the tea from the shaker into the cup. Then we got the best tea for summer. If you don't drink it quickly, we recommend you clean the nucleus of kumquats, which will take the bitter taste for the tea as time went. Kumquat and lemon are rich in vitamin C, which can prevent pigmentation and make skin smooth and elastic. So this tea is very good for our body. Hope you like it. Okay, that's our Chinese food today. If you like our video, please subscribe to us. If you have any problems, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you next Chinese food. Bye.